Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Cash App for fraud alerts and secure login. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, visit the App Store or Google Play Store to install it. Launch the app by tapping on its icon. You'll be directed to the login screen. Enter the phone number or email address associated with your Cash App account. Tap Next to proceed. If you're using a phone number, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Open your messages to find the verification code. Enter the code in the app where prompted. If you're using an email, check your inbox for the verification email instead. Once you enter the code, tap Continue. You may now see the option for biometric security, like fingerprint or face recognition. Setting up this feature enhances your account security. Follow the prompts to enable biometric login. If you prefer, you can also set up a secure passcode at this stage. After completing the setup, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. To set up fraud alerts, navigate to the settings icon, usually represented by a gear. Scroll down to notifications. Make sure that fraud alerts are enabled. This feature will notify you of any suspicious activity on your account. Review your privacy settings to ensure they match your security preferences. You can adjust who can send you money and view your activity. Regularly monitor your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, report it immediately through the app. For added security, always keep your app updated to the latest version. With these steps completed, your Cash App is now set up for secure login and fraud alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.